job's a joke, you broke, your love life's the away. It's like you're always stuck in second gear, when it hasn't been your day, your week, your month, or even your year. But I'll be there for you.
Hi, so before we get started, we just wanted to give you some basic information and some compare and contrast from dwarf planets versus major planets. Are dwarf planets have to be smaller than planets but larger than asteroids, and there are 5 minor planets in our solar system that we have discovered so far, and dwarf planets has something in their path but it has not been cleared yet. And major planets, there are 8 major planets in our solar system, and it does not have anything in its path.
Some of the requirements to be a dwarf planet is it is in orbit of the sun, and it's massive enough that its shape is controlled by gravitational forces, and there can be stuff in its path, unlike normal planets.
A8 minor planet is an asteroid which is a large irregularly shaped rock in space that orbits our sun, sort of like an asteroid. Asteroids are typically made up of rock or metal.
Some minor planets other than Pluto are Ceres,
Haumea,
Makemake,
and Eris.
Pluto and other minor planets featuring Matt and Nora.
In order for something to be classified as a planet, it has to be in the shape of a ball, cleared their orbit path, and revolve around a star. Dwarf planets haven't cleared their path, which is why they aren't considered planets. Pluto is the most well-known dwarf planet and was once thought to be the ninth planet in our solar system. It was discovered on February 18th in 1930 by Clyde Tombaugh. It is located in the Kuiper Belt, just beyond the orbit of Neptune. It is also the largest dwarf planet. In 2006, the International Astronomical Union recategorized Pluto to a dwarf planet because it didn't meet all the criteria to become a full-size planet. Pluto meets all the criteria except one. It has not cleared its neighboring region of other objects. There are 5 official dwarf planets. Their names are Eris, Pluto, Haumea, Ceres, and Makemake. Eris is the second largest dwarf planet. Pluto is the largest. Haumea is shaped like an egg because billions of years ago it collided with another object and it destroyed most of its ice surface. Makemake is the second furthest dwarf planet from the sun, and just like Earth, it only has one moon. Ceres is the closest dwarf planet to the sun. It's located between Mars and Jupiter in the asteroid belt.
Fun facts with Matt. Pluto's revolution around the sun is 248 years. Pluto has 5 moons and is smaller than our moon. Pluto only has an atmosphere part of the time. Pluto is tilted at 120 degrees, so when it gets closer to the sun, its surface melts and turns into hot gases. But as it gets further, the surface cools and freezes over again. Pluto's orbit is also inclined at 17 degrees, which sometimes overlaps with the orbit of Neptune.
What planet is that?
I have no clue.
That planet is Pluto, obviously.
It doesn't really look like a planet.
No, it doesn't, but it's about 4.6 billion years old.
Let me check and see if it has anything in its path.
Oh, looks like it has things in its path.
Otherwise, it would be a planet, right?
Yes, it has all the other criteria to be a planet, other than objects in its orbital path.
Didn't we used to consider it a planet, though?
Yeah, until about 2006, sadly.
What is Pluto like?
Pluto has a rocky core and is covered in a layer of ice.
Also, Pluto's temperature is roughly negative 396 degrees. Isn't
Whoa.
that crazy?
Whoa, I never knew that.
Pluto's a lot different than I ever expected.
Yeah, I never knew it was that old or that cold.
Me neither.
Damn, bro, that's crazy.
Is a dwarf planet. In 60 seconds, you'll know. This is Space Shorts. Dwarf planets are a lot like regular planets. They both have enough mass and gravity to be nearly round, unlike odd-shaped asteroids. They both travel through space in a path around the sun. The big difference? A dwarf planet could be in for a bumpy ride as it travels. Its path is full of other objects like asteroids. A regular planet has a clear path around the sun. Most of those impacts happened billions of years ago, so there's not much left over to get in the way. There may be dozens of dwarf planets in our solar system. So far, we've classified just a handful, most of them very far away. Pluto is the most famous, but closer to home is another mysterious world, Ceres, the first dwarf planet to be visited by a spacecraft. With everything we learned from the Dawn mission, our understanding of planets and dwarf planets will rocket far beyond all that's been known before.